Your local American leak detection office is making a killing off you by coming out to try to find your customers' leaks, and on top of that, they're trying to upsell your customers on installations they can get paid for. Isn't it your customer? Why not be the complete solution your customer needs when they have leaks? With LeakTronics Plumber's Leak Detection Kit, you can accurately identify what's leaking and where, and then you can get paid on top of that for repairs. Not sure how leak detection works? LeakTronics online training is an all-access pass to learn how the equipment works and the best methods for finding leaks fast. Stop paying someone else to step in on your jobs and get paid for providing everything your customer needs, from finding leaks with pinpoint accuracy and getting paid for the entire leak detection and repair job. Visit LeakTronics.com or call 818-436-2953 and ask what we can do for you.